Working on the Mustang. It is currently December 18th. It's a Sunday, 8 p.m. I typically cut off at 9, so I've got 1 hour. In that hour, I hope to remove this. We're looking at the front frame rail on the passenger side of the 84. Of course, I already cleaned everything up, but before I could address this rusted frame rail, of course, I knew it was rusted. I've got holes all the way through here and there, and from underneath I could see there was also more rust damage. So all this has to come out. I could buy a new frame rail for 280 bucks. It's the whole thing from the firewall to the front. It also includes all the hardware for the strut tower, but I didn't want to do the whole thing because everything from that corner of the strut tower back looks good. It's pretty clear this had been in a wreck before. The metal, first of all, everything on the apron was crinkled. You can see this has a lot of crinkles that they may have tried to beat out, but the real telltale is up here on top where this whole top is crinkled and been welded. I can address that later. I'm not sure if I'm going to replace that piece or just leave it as is, maybe dress it up a little bit. But I do plan to replace this, so I'll be measuring from this front edge to here and get that measurement. It should match the driver's side, which is solid with no rust issues at all. I'll be playing the math game on that just because I'm going to cut this out from the strut tower all the way to here. And this was the big debate I just had with myself, is where am I going to stop? This section here is a little complex given that it's got this piece on the inside to give some structure support for the bumper, which of course this is the shaft from the bumper. I decided to just go ahead and cut along that straight line there so I can butt weld from here back to here. I can take this off of the old piece, weld it onto the new piece. Back here, what I'm gonna do, let me get some light here, maybe. I'm actually gonna cut back here so that I've got this piece to play with from the strut tower. So I'll cut here. It'll also make this piece that I cut out more square. The new piece will be more square. Big rust spot there. I'll have to reproduce some holes. What I'll probably do is just drill a hole in the new sheet metal and weld a bolt back behind this. I'll drill a hole there to enable this to happen again. The real trick, not the real trick, but something I gotta watch out for, I'm gonna have to make a custom bracket. Get some light going back here. Custom bracket to replace the bracket they had in here to support the strut tower bracket. It's an additional, maybe 1/8 inch, maybe, I don't know, 14, 16 gauge, something like that. It's just a kind of a U-channel that fit right in there to provide some structural support for the and a sway bar bracket. So that's simple. I can just rebuild that out of scrap metal. I've got that. To replace this, I just went to Tractor Supply yesterday, bought some 16 gauge sheet metal. I'll have to form it into a U shape and then butt weld that in. We'll see how it goes. If it doesn't go good, she's gonna get mad at me. She's my watchdog. She's watching everything I do to make sure it's right.